Hello and welcome to the Outpower Newscast. Today we're going to approach the subject of accessibility. And we'll also give a look into an initiative from the OutSystems AI team. In Hints and How-Tos, we'll cover an article that discusses the agile software development with OutSystems. And as it is usual, we go over the latest from the OutSystems community. OutSystems has announced that the platform server will firstly be available on the cloud, and only after that it will be available for download. The reason for that is because OutSystems is modernizing their processes as they are becoming more cloud-centric. This approach started with the platform version 11.8.0, where it was first launched on the OutSystems cloud, and after some time it was made available for on-premises configurations. For more information on this, you can reach the forum post at this link. This week, let's approach the subject of accessibility. Digital accessibility is more important than ever. Due to the pandemic, we may be confined to our homes. As a result of that, digital tools and technologies have become the only way to interact with the world. But for an application to meet these accessibility guidelines, it is necessary to increase the requirements backlog, which will increase the time that is needed to finish the project. And because of that, it's not uncommon for this subject to be left behind. OutSystems has posted an article that goes over how OutSystems has improved on this topic, so that we can develop our applications with as much as possible built-in accessibility. OutSystems will continue to push the envelope to improve all of these features by continuously improving the style guides, the patterns, templates, and widgets, making sure they're up to date with the latest guidelines for accessibility. If you wish to reach this article, you can find it at this page. The OutSystems AI team is currently in the discovery process, and they would like to request our help so that they can improve the chatbot component with our feedback. They're looking for OutSystems developers or anyone with experience building a chatbot solution. If you wish to participate in this initiative, go on over to the forum post and pick a time slot so that the team can have a chat with you and you can share your experience. To be able to reach this forum post, go on over to this page. Now, let's jump over to Hints and How-Tos. Next, we're going to talk about an article by the community member, Lucien Chiao, where he answers how OutSystems handles the source code versioning, how it is deployed, and how to deal with the possible caveats that comes with the territory. He explains how the source code versioning works, makes a suggestion for a possible infrastructure layout, and gives us some best practices that would allow us to create systems with a certain level of quality. With the topic being agile development, the subject of the tools that can be used to keep track of the development also receives some attention. An article rich in content that can be found in his page. Next, let's check what is the latest on the Forge. After going through the latest Forge component deployments, we came up with the following picks. After the Forge, let's go over to our last segment, the idea of the week. This week, the idea that sparked some interest was the concept to have a better segregation for documentation that is either related to the traditional or reactive web apps, taking into account that some topics overlap in both technologies and that the documentation pages are tagged with only for traditional or only for reactive and mobile. The idea suggests that it would be beneficial to have the documentation split out more clearly. This will be useful for those who are new to the platform and are trying to learn the concepts in isolation, or when preparing for a certification exam. If you wish to share your support or give your feedback, you can find the idea at this ideas page. With that, we reached the end of today's newscast. Thank you very much for watching, and please join us next time for more OutSystems news about Outpower. Have a good day.